It is a honorable one, of course. But the Bible makes us to understand that God already trusted Abraham. He trusted Abraham and he knew that this man, I will choose him because he will be able to raise children that will actually be according to my mind. What I'm trying to tell us here is that now God has bestowed on every family. There is something he wants to do through your own generation. But can he trust you? That is the question. Like he trusted Abraham. Blessings of God does not just come like that. It doesn't just come for the asking. Just because you ask for it, they begin to pour it upon you. There is a reason why the blessings come. And so we see from what we have read that God trusted Abraham. He said, I know he'll be able to bring up his children in my own way. And that is why he chose him as the father of a many nations. So what I'm trying to say here, like I said, I don't want to teach us. I know that we are competent father, but I only want to challenge us to a higher responsibility. Anywhere we know that we have been in slumber in the past, let us step out of our slumber. Let us even do more than we have done before. Because we just said, we said fathers. Then we responded by champion. And that is to say, the children we're having around here are champions. You see then, champion, who is a champion? Champion is the best player. He's a conqueror, he's a victorious person. Do you understand? And so we are raising champions. Can we give Jesus a clap offering? So, before I move further, I want to quickly give us one or two definitions of a father. The word father, according to the little definition I know, is a male parent of a child, one who is biologically responsible for the reproduction of a baby. Father can also be defined as one acting as a guardian to a person or group of persons with the aim of leading them to the right direction. You see now, not until as a father we are able to balance these two definitions, you are not a competent father. Because if you want to simply rely on the literal meaning, definition of a father, I want to tell you, you are very wrong. Because every stupid man